Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you play multiplayer in Istanbul guys. So at first, just connect to the game Istanbul guys. Hold on guys to load the game. Now here in the game, you can see in the bottom right option play. Just clicking on it, you can play multiplayer with different enemies worldwide, different players. And beside that, here you can see event option, which is in this season event. There is a Easter extravaganza event here. By clicking on it, here you can see you can play solo with, or you can play also with your friends, and it is multiplayer. Now just go back, and here you can see party mode, which is in the right middle side. Clicking on it, here you can see you can make custom game, or you can also join a party where you can play multiplayer with different enemies, different friends. So guys, this is how you can play multiplayer in Istanbul guys. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.